Hey guys, what's going on? Here I got my Axial AX out for a rip in the mud. I got new tires on there, the TSL Boggers Super Swampers. They're from RC4WD Drive. Way better tire than stock that came on it. I believe they were the Axial Maxis, I think, yeah. Anyways, I'm just ripping through this mud here. It's pretty slimy. It was 0 degrees last night, so we got a little bit of ice. It breaks up pretty good, but these tires, they just paw through everything. Seems to be going pretty good. Happy with the purchase. I got the beadlock rims, sealed them up. One tire needs a bit of air in it there. It's kind of wrinkly, but I'm alright with that. See the ice right there? Yeah, look at that paw in action. Just crawls up it like nothing. I do have a set of chains here I'm going to rig up for when it gets really snowy. It's 1 week away from Christmas, and you can see we've still got mild weather. Hasn't froze up here in Canada yet. Not where I am, anyways. So there's that one tire there. It looks kind of wrinkly, but I'm alright with that. Some extra traction for now. Let's see how this girl does in here. I got to get a new camera. The mic on my camera is kind of dying out on me. I was thinking about getting an external one, but it's kind of a hassle. Yeah, look at those tires. Come on, baby, you can get out of there. More of a close-up shot. See, I love those tires. I'm hung up there on the axles in the center, but this is actually a four-wheeling trailer or something. It's doing pretty good. I think this one's much better than the AX10. The AX10 always tips over. I gotta get axle spacers for it. You can see this one's pretty wide right there. And the AX10, it would have rolled over right there for sure. I know it would have. I left it at home that day. I was only out by myself. I just got some time off work here, so it's time to RC again. Get out here in the muck and take advantage of these warm days, I guess. I'll loop around and come in the back here. So there's some ice there I was playing on. See if we can get back over there and float around on top of that ice. Alright. She's pretty deep here. Oh yeah. Sink the old girl. You can do it. Come on. That's where I use some chains. Yeah. We got her. Yeah, chains would be a definite help for this icy stuff. Rig them up sooner than later. Zoom in here. Oh no. Oh, we just sunk. You got this. Come on, Bill. Floor it. Really put my tires to the test, that's for sure. And they work pretty good. Wrinkle, wrinkle. Alright, let's go back to my first mud hole. That's awesome. Totally love this truck. I was never into crawling. My buddy sold me the two of these trucks for a pretty cheap deal, the AX10 and the SCX10, but I love this one more. Oh, uh-oh. Dirty motor. I'll get her out of here. You just watch. Some wheel turning action. We'll be climbing out of this mud hole. Come on. You can do it. Oh? Yeah. This thing is beast mode. I am running a 2S Lipo in there right now. Alright, I got her. Alright. Made her out.
Good as new. These tires are amazing. I got to put some more air in them. You see they're a little bit flat, but TSL Boggers from RC4WD Super Swampers. Man, they work amazing. Way better than the stock tires that come on this thing. So, check this carnage out. Oh, too much mud. Alright, let's go home. Might have killed a motor. I don't know. Nothing's happening now. Dead. Yep. Free rolling now. Oh well. I got new motors at home. These things are cheap. Pretty sure it's the motor. You never know. Anyways, that was fun. See you next time.
Hey guys. Alright, it was the motor. I got her home here, got her all cleaned up. Took the motor out and stuck it in a cup of water, and you see that's her down in there. Pretty dirty looking now, but boost. Anyways, she's working. She's all cleaned up. Took a couple cups of water actually to clean this one out. Good to go. Well, I hope you enjoyed. I will have this thing out in the mud sooner than later, along with my AX10 here. It's dark. There she is. Alright folks, see you later.